Hello students, today I am going to discuss the last exercise from the cube and cube roots chapter, and the exercise is exercise 4C. In class 8 we are going along with this chapter, and this is the first question here to evaluate the cube root of 64. Certainly this is exercise 4C and we are going to end up this chapter. So let's do question one by one. We have to find the cube root of 64. So for finding the cube root of 64, we will factorize, okay? 2, 32, again 2, what? 16, 2, 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. Alright. So 64 can be written as 2 square, not 2 square. In the form of cube, we should write 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. That means these three, 2 cube and 2 cube. Alright, so cube root under 64, hence cube root 64, that means 2 cube into 2 cube. In place of 64, we have written as we have obtained it in the form of prime factors. So, cube root 2 into 2 to the power 3, that means cube root under 4 to the power 3. Now, this 3, okay, we will follow the exponential rule, 4 to the power 3 and cube root, okay, like this. If we are having any n number here, what we write? X to the power 1 by n. We will use this exponential rule here. So 4 to the power 3 to the power what? 1 by 3. So power to power, we have learned in the exponential rule that gets multiplied. So 4 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 get cancelled. So 4 is cube root of 64. Understood, students? Alright. Now I am going to show you some more questions from this exercise 4C. Alright, let's take up question number 1, C. The question number C, how can we solve it? In similar ways only. So question number C. And what is question number C? Question number C is saying cube root under minus 1331. Okay. So what we have to do? We can write cube root under minus 1 into 1331. So let's do this. Minus 1 into 1331. So 1331 factorization will be, and this can be factorized by prime number, and that prime number is 11. By 11, if we divide it, we get 121. Again, 11 can divide 121. 11 is 121. Okay, students. Now, hence we can write cube root. Now, minus 1 can be written as minus 1 to the power 3. Minus 1 cube will give you minus 1. That's for sure. And this is 11 cube. 1331. 1331 is in the form of 11 cube. So I am going to write 11 cube. Now minus 1 into 11 to the power 3. So students, what we can see here? We can see cube root under minus 11 to the power 3. This 3 and this 3 will be getting cancelled, as I have just told you, by using the exponential rule. So minus 11 is your cube root for minus 1331. I hope you have understood this. Question number C. Now question number E. Let's see how can we do question number E. In today's topic, we are discussing this evaluation to find out the cube root. Now question number C is cube root under 125 into minus 64. How much? minus 64. Yes. So 125 prime factorization will be done. Prime factorization will be done, and this will be divided by 25. 5 25 5 there 125 5 5 there 25. So 125 is in the form of 5 into 5 into 5. That means 5 cube. Understood? Now 64. So 64 will be done in similar ways. 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2 to the 4. So 64 will be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. So this is what? 2 cube into 2 cube. Alright. Hence, we can write cube root under, in place of 125, we can note it down. This is 5 to the power 3 into. Now, minus 64. So, I am placing minus sign ahead of this, and 2 cube into 2 cube. 2 into 2. That means 4 to the power cube. So, cube root under minus 5 into 4 to the power 3. Okay. So, this is what? Minus 5 into 4. This will give you 20. So, cube root under minus 20 to the power 3. So, this 3 will get cancelled and minus 20 will come out. So, this minus 20 is the cube root for question number E. Okay. Now, another question F can be done in similar ways. You can see. Now, I am going to show you the solution for question number H. So, question number H is the last question, and we have to evaluate again the cube root, but this time the question is in the form of division. So, H is cube root under 512 by 343. Same thing will be done. We will get the prime factorization for 512. So 512. Alright. So this will be 2 to 56, 2 128, 2 64, 2 32, 2 16, 2 8, 2 4. Okay, and again 2 to the 4. So 343 will be factorized by 7. 7 4 is 28, 7 9 is 63. So again 7 7 is 49. So what we can write in the form of cube? How many 2's are there? Yes, we can see that it is 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube by, this is 7 to the power 3. Alright. So under cube root, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 by 7 to the power 3. This 3 and this root, cube root, will get cancelled. 8 by 7 to the power 3, okay, to the power 4 to the power 1 by 3. Now 8 by 7 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. 3 cancels. So 8 by 7 is your cube root for this question. So this is your answer. I hope you have understood today's class, and the home assignment, homework is to complete exercise 4C. In the next class, when I will meet you, we will discuss chapter 5, playing with numbers. Thank you very much.